Beauty Guru Samantha is back. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Sammie, and today we're going to try and look like a girl because I'm going to show you guys my makeup routine. And it makes me feel a little bit better about myself and a little bit more confident because it kind of masks the ugliness, and that's what we need. So I'm starting off with sunblock because you always need to wear sunblock whether you're actually going into the sun or not, because you need to protect your skin so that it doesn't get even worse. And God knows that I need that because I already have so much acne, and we don't need to make that worse, do we? I am using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream in Natural, and I'm wearing the matte concealer in NC35. I just kind of go under my eyes because I have eye bags, and I go over any acne scars that I have. I have most of it on my cheeks, but it doesn't really show up that much, so I don't like putting on a lot of concealer. Kind of blend it out with my finger because I heard that like blending out your concealer with your finger is a lot more effective than like a beauty blender or anything like that. And then I take my MAC Studio Fix in NC41. This one's a little bit darker than my concealer because that's usually how it should be. Your foundation should always be a little bit like more your skin tone, and your concealer should be a little bit lighter. Not sure why, but that's what all the beauty gurus say, so I'm just gonna trust them. I go over my entire face because my face gets really oily really quickly, and we don't need that. Next, I would usually do contouring. I don't contour my face, like my entire face, because that seems a little bit excessive and people would really be able to tell that I contour if I did that. So I just contour my nose because I'm Asian obviously, and I don't like my nose because it's like kind of wide. Like, can you tell? Oh my god, that's really bright. Like, it's kind of wide. So I just like to make it a little bit, I don't know, make it a little bit more defined. Most of the time I'll take my foundation again and I will kind of put it around the edges where I smeared it out too much so that it's not like contouring my entire nose. I just want it like in two lines down the very bridge of it. Highlighter. The coolest step in my opinion, even though I don't wear a lot of it. Like, I don't like putting it on my cheeks as I've mentioned before because I don't know, it just seems a little bit excessive. That's the second time that I've said excessive in this video, and I don't think that I've ever said excessive in my entire life. And I just don't like the way that it looks, so I usually just put it like on the very end of my nose and under the eyebrows. Dude, what a coinky dink. I bought this when I still watched her. Comment if you know where that's from. Then I take my brow gel. This is a 2-in-1 thing, so it's like mascara on this side and like brow gel on this side, which is what this side is a lot more used than this one. I forgot to mention what highlighter that is. This is the Master Showing Stick by Maybelline, and this is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I also have the regular one, but I don't like it as much because it's powder. So I recommend cream contouring because it looks a lot better. So then I take the brow gel and I just swipe it up to kind of make my eyebrows look a little bit more fluffy and like defined. And also, since this is like liquidy, it makes the hairs on my eyebrow darker, which is great because my eyebrows are actually really light. Like, in person, they basically don't even show up. So it's just nice to have people know that I have eyebrows. Has my voice sounded like really raspy and weird this video? Because I just woke up like an hour ago and I don't really know what's wrong with me. I might be sick, honestly. I don't even know. Then I take my Hoola bronzer. I actually just got this yesterday, I think. No, 2 days ago. I got this 2 days ago. I think I got this at Urban Outfitters. It's by BH Cosmetics, and I like their brushes a lot. And this is so expensive, by the way. This little tiny bronzer thing is $16, and the regular one was like $30, I think. So I was like, okay, well, in natural lighting it looks okay. We're just gonna have to deal with this. I don't wear a lot of mascara, so most of the time I'll just like curling my eyelashes so that they just kind of lift up a little bit. I actually do think that I have mascara here. I'm not sure if I'm willing to check though. Then I take my Urban Decay De-Slick makeup setting spray. It's with oil control because God knows that I need that. And I also just got this at Sephora. I think it was like 30 bucks, which is actually really good for Urban Decay. So yeah, then I just kind of go like this all over my face. Nice. Of course my face is kind of shiny right now because of the setting spray, but this is what I use every day. And this is my go-to makeup routine for school and any event. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you wanna, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. This is what my makeup looks like when I'm completely done, and I'm sure that some of you have seen this on my Instagram, but if you haven't, then here is my @ The grand total for everything that I used in this video, not including my mascara, is $148.